mycelium alert. Okay. Okay, welcome back, my sweet angels. Another widow vlog for you. Thought I would just catch up. The beginning of the new year has been great so far. It's been very slow, very rainy. I have just been hermiting intentionally. I need it after the holidays and like traveling and being with people so much, and also reading a lot. I've just been reading nonstop, anytime delaying my commitment so I can sit in my bed and read. And yeah, I feel like I've been learning a lot and just like very attached to the books I'm reading right now. The past few weeks of my life have really been all about routine, and I've been really killing it, and I'd like to give myself a round of applause. Every morning I've been waking up and drinking my nasty concoction, my sludge, my morning sludge, and I've been eating breakfast, or at least some type of food in my stomach before coffee. I'd like a round of applause. This sludge is disgusting, but I think it's really helping me. I have some like hormone tonic that I think is definitely working, and also taking colostrum, which is good for your gut lining, and that also seems to be working. That's something I have been working on with a doctor, and she told me to do this months ago, and I just didn't have the discipline to make sure I woke up and did it every morning on an empty stomach, because you're supposed to take it on an empty stomach. And I have now done it 16 days in a row. And that is actually so dope for me. So thank you so much for listening. Been getting into Pilates. Pilates is so hard. Anyone who talks shit about it has not tried it. I go to like a bar class, Pilates class, and those are the workouts that just like kick my butt. I cannot do them. Like, it humbles me. It humbles me to my core. Practice that for like a few months maybe and just like see how it goes, because one, Pilates moves slower than I'm used to, and it's kind of like I need to recalibrate my brain into moving a little slower also. So I think it's good challenge for that. And it's also those like little small muscles that just get ya. And yeah, working out. Today's sponsor is Native, which is deodorant. It's great because it's aluminum-free, paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. So there's no plastic used. I think it's amazing. It literally makes no difference. It's the same formula as a regular deodorant. It's just in better packaging, in my opinion. It is a partner for 1% for the planet as well, which is great. And I've rotated through their scents for a very long time now. I am trying out their sensitive range, which is new. I always try to go for like a pretty unscented, chill deodorant, and they have a lot of great options, and they're always coming out with new scents. I also really like the formula. It's not sticky, and it feels dry when I'm applying it. Normally, 3 plastic-free deodorants would be $39, but if you use my code WHEREILIVE4, you'll get them for $26. So that's over 33% off. And with my code, you can get 20% off any body wash or lotion as well. That will be linked below. And then tonight, I'm about to leave in a few hours to go to a brand event that is in Santa Monica. I'm gonna have to get ready, put makeup on, look presentable. This is Damon's travel journal. He sent me one. It comes out, I think, today or yesterday. This week, nonetheless. Def, go check it out. I'll leave it linked below as well. So happy for him. So dope.
Boot camp starts the Feel Good Fit Factory, and if you miss
I'm doing dry January successfully, I might add, and now I'm just obsessed with Kin. It's so good. I was sleeping on Kin. I've had it before years ago when they first started, and I was sleeping. It's so good and bitter, which really like replaces the kick that I like in like the drinks I usually make. Like I like Negronis and like Aperol Campari is my fave. Bitter. And this is delicious. It's about 4 p.m. It's 4 o'clock somewhere. Okay, I can't believe I haven't shown the vlog this yet, but I did show TikTok, so if you follow me there, you already saw it. But look at what I found at the Rose Bowl last weekend. I love it. I know someone's gonna hate on me, but it was my favorite thing I've ever bought, probably. Have yet to use it with someone. No one's come over yet, but it's gonna be the best thing ever when I have friends over. It's a miniature pool table, and I know what you're thinking, kind of in the middle of the room, but it also folds up. So if I ever want to put it away in the closet, the legs fold down, and it's just like a board. Little miniature balls, so freaking cool. Not very fun alone, but not bad. It's a little crooked. It's more for fun. It's more for and giggles. So, look at these wind chimes. And I got this pot. And whoever gave me advice, it seems to be doing better now that I repotted it. The old pot was retaining a lot of moisture at the very bottom, so I think that was the problem, and now it's in a more shallow pot, so that should be better. There's already like a lot of new growth, so I think I saved it, so thank you for all of my plant people who always respond. Kind of rearranging this room again. It's coming along slowly but surely. Much more useful now. But when I was recently home for Christmas, my mom made me take some of my childhood stuff, which she kept so much stuff from my childhood, which is so sweet of her, which I did not want to take because I didn't want to have to store it. But I was going through a bunch of my old art from when I was a kid, and I'm just like so inspired by how revolutionary it is. It's like she's just so free in her creativity. She's using mixed media. She's crumpling this up to make a branch. She cut out a butterfly. She painted the background. Like, that's just a beautiful piece of art to me. I hang them up in my office or this little creative space I've made as just like little reminders of, what is the word I'm looking for? Uninhibited creativity. Hello. What's up? So cute. Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, with me on a little angel. I'm like, if that's not iconic, I don't know what it is. Like, that's baby. That's baby and that's me. I want to grow up to be just like her. Have some footprint art because we use our body parts to express ourselves. Not limited to brushes. We have some horses, probably in love. Hate the feeling of pastels on paper, but I'm gonna let this slide. One. Spring. Isn't it great? Isn't it just great? She, like, so sweet, so lovely. I'm gonna hang some of these up. I have some of them in a box. I'm gonna try not to go so crazy, but I think they would be nice hanging up in here, and I legitimately like them, which is weird. All of the stuff from like high school or middle school, I'm kind of like, that's not great. Whatever. But the younger stuff, like the really young stuff, is actually very just inspiring overall. Probably me as a cowgirl. Little heart grass. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this one here. I think they look so cute. Hopefully you enjoyed. Gonna try to keep up with the vlogging. And I will see you all so soon in the next one.